Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Engine 2 RTA by OBS. The OBS Engine 2 RTA is the newest upgraded version of the original. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box with a slide-off sleeve. Inside the box, the kit contents include a user manual, an accessory box which holds a Phillips head screwdriver, 2 pre-built coils, a spare parts bag, organic cotton, and a spare glass tube. And of course the OBS Engine 2 RTA. The Engine 2 is a 304 stainless steel, dual coil, topside filling RTA with a 5 ml e-liquid capacity. It is 510 threaded. It features a 360 degree adjustable top airflow and an 810 resin drip tip. The base is 26 mm in diameter. The Engine 2 can be disassembled into 4 main parts for cleaning. It is roughly 2 inches in height by 1 inch in width. To get started, first unscrew the top from the base. The build deck is a leak-proof dual coil 304 stainless steel atomizer base. Unscrew the 4 post screws on the deck. Insert the coils upside down. Tighten the screws. Adjust the coils. Once adjusted, snip the excess leads. Prep your coils by firing them a few times before adding the wick. If you want colors in your coils, bump them a few times at around 15 to 20 watts. Cut a couple strips of organic cotton and feed them through the coils. Brush out the cotton ends and cut them to size. Tuck the cotton ends down into the 4 juice wells. After the cotton is securely in place, prime it with a few drops of e-liquid. Test fire the coil a few times because it looks pretty cool. After you know the coils work, replace the top cap and tighten securely. Pull up on the top ring to reveal the fill port. Fill the tank with e-liquid. Once full, push down on the ring to close. Adjust the airflow, attach to your favorite device, and you're ready to vape. The Engine 2 RTA is a great performer. I really like the quality of the stainless steel tank. The 810 drip tip is a little loose, but I prefer that over impossible to remove. My only cons are the coils can be a little tricky to install, and if the leads aren't cut exactly flush to the top, it will short out. Overall, a really nice tank that I'll be keeping in rotation. The Engine 2 RTA comes in black or stainless steel and runs in the $25 to $30 range. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.